The Commander, United States Strategic Command, has announced the winners of the 2012 Omaha Trophy. U.S. STRATCOM Commander General C. Robert Kaler made the announcement. The Strategic Aircraft Operations Trophy went to the Strategic Communications Wing 1 at Tinker Air Force Base in Oklahoma. The 90th Missile Wing, F.E. Warren Air Force Base in Wyoming, is named the winner of the Intercontinental Ballistic Missile Trophy. The Submarine Ballistic Missile Trophy winner is the USS Alaska, Naval Submarine Base, Kings Bay, Georgia. Finally, the Global Operations Trophy goes to the 50th Space Wing at Schriever Air Force Base in Colorado. This is the second time in 3 years the 50th has taken home this trophy for meritorious achievement in U.S. STRATCOM's global strategic missions. The Omaha Trophy is presented annually by the U.S. STRATCOM Commander to units demonstrating the highest performance in U.S. STRATCOM mission areas. From the 50th Space Wing, Schriever Air Force Base, I'm Greg Holmes.